I would like to tell you, and indeed show you, the unique edition of the Camel Trophy book before it goes off to one of our customers. There are only 5 of these. All these items are from the collection of Ian Chapman, the event director, and they've been beautifully packed by Abby, who's assisting me here. So all this wonderful memorabilia, clothing, various clothing. Each one is unique because it's a different selection. And more clothing and stickers and all sorts of original collector's items. Here we have a tin of all sorts of original components, items that competitors were armed with. And then we have a first aid case. All absolutely original from the Camel Trophy. Amazing. And this is the book, beautifully wrapped in canvas, rather appropriately, and it's a special binding and another lovely production by Ludlow Bookbinders. So there we are, the unique edition, very, very special indeed, and only 5 of them.